Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit stands as a notable option for those interested in harnessing wind energy for residential or small-scale use. This kit features a 3-blade design, which is an essential aspect of its functionality and efficiency. The vertical orientation of the turbine is particularly appealing for urban and suburban settings, where space constraints and varying wind directions can pose challenges to traditional horizontal wind turbines. At the core of its operation, this turbine kit includes a charge controller, which is crucial for regulating the electricity generated and ensuring that it is safely stored in batteries. This component plays an important role in optimizing the performance of the system by managing the charge and discharge cycles, thus prolonging the lifespan of the batteries used. The design also focuses on durability, allowing the turbine to withstand various weather conditions, which is essential for any outdoor installation. One of the primary advantages of the vertical design is its ability to capture wind from any direction. This can be particularly beneficial in environments where wind patterns are unpredictable or constantly changing. The 3-blade configuration, known for its effectiveness, helps in generating a substantial amount of energy, making it suitable for powering a variety of devices or contributing to overall energy needs. When it comes to installation, the kit is designed to be user-friendly, with components that facilitate a straightforward setup. Users may appreciate the comprehensive instructions provided, guiding them through the assembly and installation process. Additionally, the compact nature of the turbine makes it easier to fit into various spaces without significant modifications. In terms of maintenance, the vertical wind turbine is generally less demanding compared to other types. Its design minimizes the risk of mechanical failure due to the absence of complex gear mechanisms found in some horizontal turbines. Regular inspections and basic upkeep can help ensure optimal performance over time. In conclusion, the 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit offers a practical and efficient solution for individuals looking to utilize wind energy. With its thoughtful design, effective performance, and ease of installation, it presents a compelling option for those interested in sustainable energy solutions. Whether it's for personal use or contributing to a larger energy system, this wind turbine kit is worth considering for those ready to explore renewable energy avenues.